Hey everybody, welcome back to episode 3 or part 3 on our journey through HTML. Now then, if we look, I've done a little bit of editing, so let's sit down and have a read. So, okay, the video that was uploaded was about creating this website to explain how to use HTML and CSS for you to earn cash if you get millions of pounds, dollars, rupees, euros, or any other that has not been specified. Okay. When he made this first video, he went straight to the next, so that meant that he could get this done as quickly as possible. Once this paragraph ends, he will start his next video explaining video linking and hyperlink linking to enhance the quality of this website. And that is exactly what I have just done. Boom, shagaloo. Okay, let's just move on now. Now, yes, I am gonna do some video. I'm gonna do video enhancing first, because if you look, I have got the embedded. Now, when you go to share, you have this. You have the basic HTML, and the HTML, the URL, and there you have the HTML, which uses iframe. So you've got that whole tag there with the opening bracket and the closing bracket, and then you have slash iframe. And I'll get to explain what all of this means in a bit. So let's highlight all of this, do Control C or right click and do copy, and then go over to here. Now I'm going to do it just under here, and now you don't need to do the iframe at all. Just do Control V or right click and click paste, but it's already pasted. And if you look, we have that. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, so as you can see, it's got that griffin. Wow. So that is the last video I uploaded, see part 2. And now, if we go to here, yes, I know you got to pop up. I have to live with that, guys. We can view it like this, and we can actually do full screen. Yeah, it's me. So, as you can see, we've already done quite a lot. And now, you might think that this is the standard website, but we haven't got to CSS. Now, CSS is much more along the realms of, suppose you could say JavaScript, because it has all things like that and that all the time, but nope. But we're not going to do that yet. That's more complicated. So, as you can see, we have the width and the height. Now, I already explained that. It's the width in pixels and the height in pixels. And you can change that to, say, 400, like that. So it's slightly bigger. Just make it perfectly square. Right. That's good. So it's an absolute square, and just to verify that, if we go to here. Yes, I know. It's perfectly square. So you can play about with that, and then you have the source, which is its URL, with the embedded thing, and then the frame border. Let's do 10, and you have this kind of like this border, and just say let's do 100, and you'll have like it's like a really thick border around it. I know it's not in pixels, but it's in I can't remember what it's in, but it's in something. I can't remember. I think the maximum is 10. So yeah. So we're gonna set it to 0. It is formatted, but I'm not 100% sure why, but that's fine. And now we have this allow full screen. Now you can delete that, and it won't let you go into full screen like I do. Or you can keep that, which I'm going to do because I like full screen. If we do that, I think we go, oh, wasn't expected. And like that, I'm not going to play about with it anymore. So that's basically how you do your iframe. And now to just give it the effect, I'm going to actually do H3. Actually, I might do H4. Let's see. H4. And I'm going to just do high. Yeah, that's right. So, is latest video. There we go. Now you can click to see that, and remember, it will be updated every single day, so don't worry. So I'll just delete that and then paste in the new one. Or you can delete that and get the other stuff, but I'm just going to do it the quickest way without the complication. So now another thing that I was going to do is we want to do this kind of above below, just below the heading, the first heading. Now these are your links. Now how you do links is you do an A tag, and everything you put between that. For instance, I'm going to put channel is and then you do the close tag. You have that, and if we go to page 1, you can see that it has nothing on it. And now, how to get something on it is we have to do something called href. Now it's hyperlink reference. So hyperlink rings a bell, and I guess reference rings a bell. So we'll do href. And you can see it's an attribute, so that's very good. And then we do our quotations, and now if I go to my channel, and you know, as you can see, look, I've got all of this stuff related to me, which is very awesome, thanks guys. And as you can see, I have my whole channel here, ready to read, play about with, 406 views, 12 subscribers, pretty good. And now we want to copy this, and now we can do Control-C or copy, and the same goes. I'm just going to do Control-V. Also do paste, it doesn't matter. As you can see, we've got that, and if we click on that, there we go. There we go. Is it broke? Probably broke. So I think I'm going to go to this, I think because of its size. If I go to that, it brings me straight here. Now, something I forgot to show you, look, there is my previous 2 videos, HTML and CSS part 1 and part 2 are all here, here. As you can see, we've got all the complicated code, which I showed you at the start. But if we go to expect elements, some of you might have done that, we actually have the code, HTML code, for this website. As you can see, we've got our iframe. It says source JavaScript, and see JavaScript is actually quite important. I can already see a bug there. I'm not sure if that's 100% a bug, but maybe that's just why, because I'm actually quite new to this, but I do know quite a bit. So we can see we've got the headers and the body and the span and the slash span. I don't know what span is. Can we? Oh, I think it's the I think it's like that line there. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at this a bit more, but see, that's a very cool thing to link you to places. So I think I just broke my channel. So hang on. There we go. Very nice. So now you might also want to add maybe other things, like links to different YouTubers, like your index, for instance, the YouTube wiki. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it for next episode. So I am going to just quickly write out the tags, but we're going to put something different in those tags in the next video. So /a. And we're going to do, wait for it, actually I'm going to do kind of like more, just do more, for that. So that's what we're going to do for the next episode. So I think that means, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and let's just take a minute to admire our YouTube channel. Okay, we'll stop doing that thing that it does. Just admire everything that we've done so far. We have a link to our channel, we have an online video, we have a YouTube wiki, we've got all this kind of stuff. We've got a funny face there, and about some Beretta Comedy Productions, Griffin, I'm not 100% sure what that is. We've got P's and more P's and M and that and spa, whatever. We've got all sorts of stuff here. All of this in the video, and then we have all of this information. We have a constantly updating thing which I'll update personally, and yeah, it's not gonna be as good as it gets. So I think I've recorded 3 videos in a row. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press this upload button, and yeah. See you next time, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and goodbye. Oh yeah!